Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. See in this video, here one data is given. So it consists of year, son, names in single list. So make it as two lists. So one list contain numbers, another list contain names, nothing but strings. How can you make it? So first of all, create one empty list. So I am taking that years as one empty list. So in that empty list, I am going to create write a list compression. So I for I in data, if type of I is equal to int, then it can convert yes. So similarly, copy this code. So same code is there for string also. Names equal to so here data type is string. So if the data type is string is there, nothing but names. Now print years and print names. Now run the code. Now we got two lists. So one list contains years, another list contains names. So this is the process of data separation if any data is mixed. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.